Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a lead in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Let's get straight to it. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what details to enter, and how to keep your sales opportunities organized from the very beginning. A lead in Pipedrive is a potential opportunity that isn't fully qualified yet. Keeping leads separate from deals helps you organize prospects without cluttering your pipeline. This is useful when someone has shown interest, filled out a form, asked a question, or contacted your business, but you still need to confirm whether they are the right fit before moving them into your active sales process. With that in mind, start by opening your Pipedrive workspace and looking to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Leads and click it. This opens the area dedicated to early-stage prospects, so you can manage new opportunities before they become full deals in your pipeline. Next, click on Leads Inbox. Think of the inbox as your staging area where new leads live until you're ready to advance them. This is especially helpful if you get leads from different places, like website forms, referrals, cold outreach, ads, or manual entry, because everything can stay in one organized space. Once you're in the leads inbox, it's time to create a new lead. At the top left of this page, you'll see a plus icon designed specifically for adding leads. Click that plus icon to bring up the new lead form. This is the main place where you'll enter the key information your team needs before starting follow-up. This is where you'll capture the essentials so your team can follow up confidently. In the form, enter the details of the lead. Give it a clear, descriptive title that makes it obvious what the lead is about, such as the company and the specific interest or product. For example, instead of naming it something vague like new lead, you could use something more useful like ABC Company interested in CRM setup, or Sarah from Bright Studio asking about pricing. Add the person's name and, if relevant, the organization they represent. Include reliable contact information, like an email address or phone number, and make sure it's accurate so future outreach is smooth. A small mistake in the contact details can make it harder to follow up later, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to double-check everything before saving. If you have an owner field, assign the lead to yourself or the right teammate to ensure accountability. You can also choose a label or status if your account uses them, which makes sorting and prioritizing easier later. For example, you might label a lead as hot, warm, cold, inbound, referral, or follow-up soon, depending on how your team works. If there's a section for notes, jot down any useful context, such as where the lead came from, what they asked about, or timing expectations. The more precise you are now, the less back and forth you'll need later. You can add details like requested a demo, wants pricing this week, came from LinkedIn, or interested in the premium plan, so whoever follows up has the full picture. Avoid entering any sensitive or confidential information. Keep it to business-relevant details only. You want the lead record to be helpful and professional, without storing private data that your team does not actually need for sales follow-up. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your new lead is now stored in the Leads inbox and ready for future action. Saving it properly means you won't lose track of the opportunity, and it gives you a clean starting point for calls, emails, reminders, and qualification steps. You'll see it listed alongside your other prospects, and it will carry all the information you just entered. From here, you can open it anytime to review details, add follow-up notes, or move it forward when it becomes a qualified deal. This is where Pipedrive becomes really useful, because you can keep early conversations separate until there is a real sales opportunity worth adding to your pipeline. To recap, you went to the Leads section on the left sidebar, opened the Leads inbox, clicked the plus icon to create a new lead, filled in the important details, and hit Save. If you follow these steps consistently, your sales process will stay cleaner, your follow-ups will be easier, and your team will always know what to do next. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and happy prospecting in Pipedrive.